If you spend hours online, researching, working, or just trying to stay organized, browser add-ons can completely change the way you work. Here are 5 browser extensions that will instantly boost your productivity, whether you're on Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. First up, Toby. If you're the type who keeps 20 tabs open at once, Toby is your new best friend. It replaces your default New Tab page with a beautifully organized dashboard where you can save and group tabs into collections. Instead of chaos, you get a calm workspace that loads instantly and keeps you focused. Second, Momentum. Momentum turns your New Tab page into a personal productivity hub. Each time you open a new tab, you're greeted with a stunning background photo, an inspirational quote, and a space to set your daily focus. It's like a mini vision board that helps you start your day right and stay mindful of your goals. Third, StayFocusd. Distraction is the enemy of productivity, and this extension helps you fight back. StayFocusd lets you limit how much time you can spend on distracting websites, like YouTube, X, or Facebook. Once your time runs out, the sites are blocked. Brutal? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. Fourth, Grammarly. Whether you're writing emails, blog posts, or reports, Grammarly automatically corrects your grammar, spelling, and tone across every website. It's like having a professional editor sitting quietly in your browser, saving you from embarrassing mistakes and making your writing look professional every time. And finally, Notion Web Clipper. This add-on lets you save articles, web pages, and ideas directly into your Notion workspace. You can organize everything by topic, tag, or project, perfect for researchers, students, or anyone who loves collecting useful information. Let's recap. 1. Toby for tab organization. 2. Momentum for daily focus. 3. StayFocusd to stop distractions. 4. Grammarly to write better. 5. Notion Web Clipper for saving and organizing ideas. Together, these 5 browser add-ons can help you stay focused, organized, and efficient, turning your browser from a distraction machine into a productivity powerhouse. So install them today, and take control of your online life, one tab at a time. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.